Alright guys, what we got today is a 48-year-old cast iron tub drain. And you know, this kind of shit always happens on Friday, right? You know, it's Friday, I'm trying to get through the day, and then of course this shows up. What I'm gonna have to do with this is remove these bands. That pipe that's down there is still in good shape. These cast iron pipes, they just go after 30 and 40 years. They just rust away, you know. They had plastic then, but they didn't start using it for a while. Or the code was, this was the code. Most likely when they built this building, this was the code. You couldn't use the plastic. I think they changed the code in the early 80s or something around here. But the tricky part is going to be up here at the top. Is I got to cut that brass pipe because I'm not going to be able to get that off. There's no way in hell that's coming off. So I'm going to have to cut this pipe right here with a Sawzall, which is right down there. And get a new trap and get some adapters, and you know, it's gonna be fun city, believe me. You can hear something going on upstairs. I don't know what that is, but anyway, somebody's running the sweeper or something upstairs. So all right, I'll get back to you later. All right, I got the pipe cut up there. You can see that. Water pouring out of there, still water in there. Then you have to remove those Fernco. There's a Fernco over this band, over this 2-inch pipe. So it's one of them Fernco's that have the stainless steel band on it, which is right there. So you got to remove the band. Then you have to cut the rubber on the Fernco and then peel it off, and then the thing will fall out, most likely on my head, but we'll get to that in a minute. All right, so here it is out right here, and you can see this is like 1.5 inches on the brass and 2 inches on the elbow on the trap. So I'm going to need like a 2-inch trap, 1.5 inch Fernco up here into a connector in there, and then Fernco the trap up to the other one. So I don't think it's going to be that hard, but it's just a pain in the ass getting them out of there. Putting them back in is not that big a deal. Just getting the little rotted crap out of there. No, it didn't fall on my head, but it almost did.